It's time once again for the Law and You exclusively here on Eyewitness News with attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Saramboli. The place we'd love to see you guys. How are you tonight?
Great. Who's going to win the Final Four? Who do you like?
I'll take Pennsylvania's own Villanova.
Villanova. Okay. Who you like?
UNC.
I'm going with the Cuse.
All right.
Whoa,
So
I'm going with the Cuse.
we each have a stake in this. Yeah, we'll see what happens. But let's get you some legal advice tonight. And this involves a bike incident. Scott in Plains wants to know, I was riding my bike with a friend and we were side by side on the road. A car came up from behind me as we were going around a corner and hit me with the mirror, and now I'm injured. The driver stopped and said it was my fault for not getting out of the way. Is he right? And if not, can I take action against the driver?
Well, okay. First of all, you know, if you're riding in the road, I think we probably need a little bit more information to make a determination as to who's at fault on this. If you're on the side of the road, you know, beyond the fog line, and obviously if the guy comes across the fog line and hits you, then certainly it's going to be the driver's fault. But if you're in the road and you do something, you know, if you're not following the rules of the road, even as a bicyclist, then you know potentially you could be at fault for this and not be able to recover for your injuries. I think we probably need a little bit more information though in order to answer the question.
Right, but a little more facts. But I mean, if the guys are riding side by side, and they move over, and the car comes by and hits them while they're still doing everything legally, the car has to yield to the bike. So I mean, again, a little more facts. We've had cases where guys get hit doing everything proper and legal. In this situation, if he's in the roadway and a car hits him going the right way, I think the driver has more fault than the bicyclist. Yeah. But if the bicyclist, for example, runs a stop sign, which you're supposed to stop, then you're going to be at fault. So, I mean, obviously a little more facts, but generally the law is, I believe the bikes have the right of way, and the cars have to pass when it's safe to be safe.
Yeah, it's no difference. I mean, if you're in the road, you have to follow the same exact rules that a car would. So if you're in the road and you're driving, the car can't just go around you. The cars do have to yield to the bicyclist on that.
All right, no doubt a complex situation. And for viewers who find themselves in one and want to talk to you guys, how can they do that?
Well, and the other thing is spring. So guys, everybody, bicyclists are going to be out on the road. Start paying attention. Start looking out for them. You have any questions on these issues, give us a call, 570-714-HURT. See us on the web, 714hurt.com.
Wear a helmet. Wear a helmet.
Good
Absolutely.
advice. Results matter with attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Saramboli. Guys, thanks so much.
We'll see you tomorrow.
Don't forget, PAHomepage.com and the Law and You hotline are always open.